I'm back. Today's my first day of drinking. After my dental surgery, I had to stop drinking for 2 weeks. Well, it's been actually 12 days and today's Saturday, so I'm going to drink. You know, I haven't had a drink in 12 days, and that's very unusual. I usually drink twice a week. Nah, sometimes I drink 3 times a week. Maybe 4. So today, I have a couple of things to say. A few weeks back, I didn't even notice. One of my subscribers or one of my comments noticed that I hit 100 postings on my YouTube. Videos, 100 videos I did on YouTube. Now I must be to 104, 105. I didn't even pay attention to that. And another thing that I didn't mention, that I should have mentioned because I very much appreciate it, is that I hit 300 subscribers. Well, today I'm at 323. I am moving up in the world. I am getting popular. I am getting like I need a lot more subscribers, because I do. Okay, so I'm going to give a couple of shout outs today. One is my pal Kevin over there at Man Kitchen Recipes. When I say I'm giving a shout out, from now on, starting today, I'm going to take one of your videos and I'm going to post it on my Facebook group, Cocktails and Cuisine. So if you want to see what Cocktails and Cuisine is and see I shared your video on there, just get on Cocktails and Cuisine on my Facebook group. Go to Facebook groups, punch in Cocktails and Cuisines, and you'll come up and join, and I will let you join, and then you can watch your videos that I shared on my thing. I have almost 10,000 people on my Facebook group, and I very much appreciate all those people. Man, it's been a horrible time over here with the taking antibiotics and all these pills. I had like 5 things of pills I had to take. But Tuesday I get my stitches out, and today's Saturday, so Tuesday I get my stitches out. I can hardly wait because I really want to eat a steak. Couldn't eat nothing chewy, I have to eat soft food until I get my stitches out. Today I'm going to make a cocktail called a Blue Maui. Blue Maui cocktail. If you're feeling blue, go to Maui and order one of these Blue Maui cocktails. Okay? So the Blue Maui cocktail, and here we go. We're going to put in 1 ounce of rum. What the hell? One ounce of rum. 3/4 of an ounce of coconut rum. Three-quarters of an ounce of Blue Curacao. Why? Why? Because it's blue, that's why. And you want to have a Blue Maui, you need to get medicine. It looks like medicine. It looks like medicine. One ounce of vodka. 1 ounce, only 1 ounce of vodka. Whoa, that's 1.5. That's okay, who cares? I'm drinking it. And 2 ounces of pineapple juice. And you squeeze a lime in there. And then we gotta shake it. And here we go.
Almost a teal color.
I poured it over crushed ice. Well, I'm supposed to have a maraschino cherry on there for garnish, but...
There is one right over there.
Oh, Maui Karen Ann's got it ready for me. There you go. How's it look?
Looks good.
That's a pretty drink, isn't it?
Looks too good to drink.
Ah, yeah, it is. Let me get a straw here. Now this straw is an official straw that I absconded from Wendy's. Okay, this is a Wendy's straw. Ah! Ooh. Ah! Gotta watch it on my teeth. Sends a shockwave. Now that's an excellent drink. Well, folks, until next time, you know what I always say, get a vaccine, wear your buzz with the cuz mask, okay? Social distance, stay away from sick people, call your mama, Cocktail Tony, over and out.